this video, we will look at the grid editor in the ribbon bar. The ribbon bar can be turned on or off from the View menu. With the ribbon bar visible, the Grid Editor tab is available. To demonstrate the grid editor, first open a mission. After a sample mission is loaded, return to the grid editor in the ribbon bar. Initially, there may not be much of a grid or many columns visible. Use the Auto Fit button in the ribbon bar to restore the columns for the individual blocks. Each block in the mission is represented here by one of these items. On the Grid Editor tab in the ribbon bar, you can change the overall layout. For example, you can switch to a 3x3 grid by clicking the 3x3 grid button. Columns can be adjusted using the Columns drop-down. There are options such as a 2x2 grid and other column configurations. Items can be repositioned by dragging and dropping them to different grid cells. Instead of focusing on columns, you can also control the number of rows. If only one row is selected, all items are displayed as tabs. The same layout options are available in the Block Graph Editor. Switching to the Block Graph Editor allows the layout to be adjusted there as well. Any layout changes made in the visualization view are reflected in the editor window and vice versa. Additional layout icons allow precise placement of each block, for example, centering a block within the grid. These functions help create an even, organized layout. Heights and widths of the areas can be adjusted until the grid matches the desired appearance. Customization is flexible in both views. These options are available either in the visualization window or directly in the Block Graph Editor, which is accessible via the pencil icon. For more information, check out our other videos on our YouTube page or visit eroniausa.com.